down to the top. Alright, big boys, finally made it. Walking around.
Oh, there he is. Oh, so big.
Hey, buddy. Oh boy.
He's not happy right now. Look at him.
You're
It's
a big
huge.
boy, huh? Got a little pet gauge with it. This guy came from Florida. He's got a pretty long trip. And yeah, he's not used to this type of stuff, so take him out. And he's an adoption. Somebody online is going to college and they need somebody to take care of his gecko, so it's expensive to ship, but he did throw in a couple extras.
I'm just gonna match his paint.
No heat pack needed. Pretty warm. I'm in New York, so it could be a long trip. Alright, let's take care of this.
It's like I've had a bad trip. Got a feeling this is what our other one's gonna look like. Woo!
It's cold. Here he is. Big tangerine. He got about a carrot tail on him. Very cold. Very cold. But, here he is. This big boy. A little shaky. I'm a little cold as well. Here he is. Safe and sound. Made it to New York. Seems pretty chill. Not too jumpy, but he is cold. I'm sure he'll warm up and freak out a little bit, but here he is. Miguel, here's your little guy. We're gonna bring him into his new little home.